Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. All right, you guys, so we're back again with another mushroom burger. We got some crinkle fries, ketchup, and some avocado. But first, we need to lubricate the throat. All right? Faucet water. It's filtered faucet water. I hope you guys are doing great. Let's dig in. I'm hungry. You guys, I got some news for ya. Craving some fries. Hold on. This needs some heat. We need some heat up in here. I need to slow down buying these avocado. Maybe I should just stick to buying one bag instead of two. Here, take a bite. Creamy. So you guys, so I just got done watching Bethany's video about certain trolls are dragging her because she's charging $100 for a shout out. Anyhow, there's a program called, an app called Cameo. Cameo is a place where influencer, actor, actresses, some kind of a public figure can sign up, and then their fans or anyone basically can go in there and actually buy like a shout out. You can buy, put it this way, kind of like buy a cameo. All right, so that you can, as a creator or an influencer, you can create your account and then you can set your price. So you know you can do like birthday shout outs or anything basically. But the creator has to accept that proposal. So just because you request for the influencer to say certain things, it doesn't mean that they have to say it. They can choose to do it or not. Anyhow, people are dragging Bethany because she's charging $100 for a shout out. And people just don't know. I guess they don't realize what Cameo is. But she does more than just a shout out. You can actually ask her to check your channel. If you're a YouTuber or an influencer, check your channel and see how's it going. If you guys don't know, Bethany is Bloveslife. She's a mukbang YouTuber. Anyhow, you guys, I'm all over the place because I'm hungry, but yet I want to tell you guys something. We got coffee too. Ooh, it's hot. Anyhow, I purchased a Cameo from her. So what I asked for, I just asked her to check my channel out and give me some pointers. So I hope she accepts my request, because hopefully she's not overwhelmed, because she's getting a lot of requests. Mind you, for a Cameo, usually people would do like a shout out, maybe like less than probably 5 minutes, right? But for like a channel review, she actually has to go into my channel, look at it, and do some little notes taking that she does. So it's probably gonna take her at least, I say maybe more than 30 minutes to look at when she does channel reviews. So I really think it's worth it for other YouTubers to see what her points are or what she has to say about your channel. Like I said before on her comment section, that she's charging, that what she's charging is really generous of her. So I don't know. Like she said, if you can afford it, go ahead. But you're not forced to order a Cameo. Whatever. Anyhow, so when you order a Cameo, it gives you a little email, and it says that it's that Bethany has 4 days to respond. Within that 4 days, if she doesn't respond, then I get a refund. So, crossing my fingers that she'll get a chance to review my channel. Give me some pointers. That was that. Even though I kind of know what to do as far as trying to get my channel out there, but it's also kind of nice to get someone else's opinion or views. Even though I like to think that I know it all. I mean, who doesn't? But anyhow, check. Oh, you know what? I need some hot sauce on these buggers. Okay. Oh, these patties are from Life. I always say this name wrong. Lifeline. New Life. Lifelight. This is their patty. I've eaten them before, and they're delicious. Here we go. Ooh, get the hiccups. Again, it has a different taste. It's still delicious. And it's way cheaper. These two patties were like $3.20 something compared to the Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat, it's probably like five and some change for two patties. Forgot I had a fork. You guys, one thing I learned about me, I am very impatient. I mean, yeah, it's hard for me to, I just don't have patience, put it that way. Yeah. That's why I need to meditate every day. That's my second cup. And last. I need to eat these fries before they get cold. Oh, look at this one. Okay. I also add some onion powder and garlic powder into this mushroom and onion. Saute them in the frying pan. Okay, so today is not Sunday. Usually that's the day I do my grocery shopping, but I think I'm gonna go to H Mart because I ran out of food. Go, here we go, here we go, go, go. Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. I need to also pick up some more hot sauce. I ran out. I have one bottle left. I noticed that I sit crooked. I think it's just the way that I'm holding my arms up. Whatever. Oh my God. Not only that, let me go back to Cameo. So I also applied for Cameo. Who do I think I am? I don't know. One thing about that is that Cameo has to look into it, all right, and see if they approve you. If not, they'll be like, "Fool, you ain't nobody." But for real, I applied for Cameo. Okay, so I'll let you guys know how that works. I don't know how much I should charge. Maybe $5 for a. I don't know. As I was applying for it, I was just telling myself like, "You're really doing this?" Anyhow, I think it'd be fun, but not for $5. Because don't forget, Cameo takes a cut. I don't know. I really don't know. Oh, if Bethany gets to my video, if Bethany do my Cameo before this video gets released, maybe I'll play it right here, or I'll leave it in the description if she gets to it before this video gets released. Where's my napkins? Whew, that was good, you guys. I think I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this coffee. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching, or should I say thank you for having a brunch with me. I really enjoy your company. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Click on that bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys soon, okay? Ofatu. Wait, Bethany, if you're watching, have you got to my cameo yet? Bye. See you guys tomorrow. Ofatu. Peace.